My phone has arrived, and now I get to open it. Sorry, I don't have no stand or nothing, so this is gonna look terrible. We're gonna try to unbox it. Nah. Well, I can't do it one-handed, so I'll open this box and get the other one and come back. There it is. The iPhone XR. $256 gigabyte. The black version. That's a sweet looking box. This is one-handed because I've never actually got to do this before. I've always bought everything in Verizon itself, but the plastic is off. Go. Booklet and stuff. And there's the phone. That is sweet. Nothing exciting in the box. You all seen that crap. I wish they did put more stuff in the box. And it turned on. This thing is awesome. The videos I've seen of this phone don't do it justice. They like saying that the black is not that cool. This black is awesome. Let me get everything going. In preparation for getting my new iPhone XR, which comes today, I got, you can hear Pete eating in the background. That's disturbing. But anyway, I'm not a professional here. I got the new out-of-box Defender case. I always get out-of-box. They've never done me wrong. With the job that I do, it's kind of a necessity. But I like them, and they do well. And now, they... doing this one-handed because I'm not a professional. You know, you got your standard clip with the turn thing. There's no screen protector in them now. My iPhone 8 came with a green screen protector. That's what I'm using now. I'm sorry it's shaky, but it's a normal three-piece thing. Three-piece thing. So to go with that, I got... my lovely wife got me a screen protector. It's a 2-pack, made in China. We'll see how it does. This is on preparation of my new phone. I can't wait. Here's my screen protector kit. It's got wipes and all kinds of stuff. Stickers to clean it, and this awesome phone. And I'll cut in when I've got it all done. So I got the screen on, and I don't like it. So I will be getting a different kind eventually, but it'll work for now. Getting ready on the road, so I'll use what I got. Now to put on my out-of-box Defender. Must have an oil field. I mean, without it, this beautiful phone would be trash. Still working on getting her going. It seems like it takes forever. But they sure do make it simple to switch from phone to phone. It just clones the phone you got. They don't talk about that in the reviews. We'll see. No, so far, it looks amazing. The case is awesome. It's a sweet looking phone. The thing I don't like, the screen seems kind of narrow. It's definitely not as wide as my iPhone 8 Plus was. It's taller, but not as wide, which is kind of weird. But we'll see. Phone is all set up and ready to go. We got to play with it a little bit. So far, it's pretty awesome. And that's it for this video. And now I get to ship away my iPhone 8. It's been a great phone, but it's time to move on. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. One more quick thing. The only thing I don't like right now is there appears to be no battery percentage. That's not cool. Hopefully they fix that and add it back. But I don't know. I'm loving the Autobox case, and I hope I don't miss the dual camera. But thanks for watching.